In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates with Canva for your photo booth business. We'll walk through setting up the right canvas size, designing a clean, on-brand layout with photo placeholders, and exporting your file so it works smoothly with your booth software. First, set your canvas dimensions. In Canva, choose Create a Design, then Custom Size. Pick the format that matches how your photos will be used. For traditional photo strips, use 2 by 6 inches, which is 600 by 1800 pixels. For postcard layouts, go with 4 by 6 inches, or 1200 by 1800 pixels. If you're designing for social media delivery, choose a square at 1080 by 1080 pixels, or a story format at 1080 by 1920 pixels. Select the one that fits your output. For print templates, double-check orientation and consider leaving a little breathing room near the edges to avoid anything important being cut off. Next, design the layout. Start by adding a background. This could be a solid color, a subtle gradient, or a light pattern. Keep contrast in mind so your text stays readable. Now create photo placeholders. In Canva, search for frames or grids and drop in 3 or 4 equal-sized boxes to hold the live photos. Space them evenly and use Canva's position and alignment tools to keep everything straight. Consistent margins and even gaps give the template a professional finish. Add personalization with text boxes for the event name, date, and any hashtags. If you have a brand kit set up, apply your usual fonts and colors for a cohesive look. Aim for a clear hierarchy, a bold headline for the event name, smaller text for the date, and a simple style for hashtags. Keep readability front and center, high contrast, clean fonts, and sensible sizes. As you decorate, avoid overlap on the photo areas. Decorative elements should frame the photos, not cover them. Use the position controls to send accents behind the frames, and quickly test by dragging a sample image into a placeholder to make sure nothing intrudes. Also, check spacing near the edges to keep text and key details inside a safe zone. When you're happy with the design, click Share, then download. Choose PNG for the highest quality image output. If your platform supports it, some modern systems, including Booth Events, accept PDF print uploads to preserve layers and automatically identify photo areas, which can streamline setup. That's it. Thanks for watching.